Guys, I think I'm gonna quit YouTube because almost all of my videos have notices on them. YouTube, if you have watched this by any chance, why? Why did you? Almost all of my videos have notices. How did that even happen? I am trying so hard to entertain you guys and to be family friendly, and I get notices. Many of my videos have been removed. What is happening with YouTube? Back then, my videos were not getting notices. But when I checked today, it was full of notices. I think someone made a bad update. It was YouTube. I feel like that you are twins with David Basuki because all of the things you do is notices, deletes my video. So guys, I might not post for a while or maybe forever. So I think that I'm not gonna post anymore because of YouTube. So maybe if I'm old enough, I can create videos. So only 7 years left. But I think I have another channel, but I'm not using it because I don't know. Okay, bye guys. Never mind. So also, here's a message. If this video gets removed, you will know why. Okay, bye guys. Maybe for real.